What's up? So wanted to show you guys another project we're going to be starting on. This one I'll do progress videos as we go. Not going to do one big one because this one is going to take us a while. So it is in Hazlet and quite a bit to do here. Currently we're standing in the kitchen. As you can see, there's not much space, so we're going to add some cabinets to this wall here. And then obviously new countertops, paint the cabinets, new appliances. And then we're obviously going to be painting all the way throughout. We'll be doing the same color throughout the house. And then obviously, you know, ceilings will be painted. We'll be replacing light fixtures. You know, ceiling fan will be going here. We got some work to do on this fireplace. Today is actually my first day here, and I did not realize that that was broken. So that's going to be a fun thing to get fixed. But nice little house. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house. So as soon as we're done, it will be going on the market. So this one, obviously, this is mostly just paint, you know. The big thing that we'll be doing here is going to be renovating the master bathroom. So it's decent size. Looks like it should have been set up for a double vanity. So we're actually going to set it up for a double vanity. My licensed plumber is going to be doing that work. And then this little linen closet area, we're actually going to turn into an actual closet. So we'll be taking this wall here, pushing it back a little bit, putting a door. So that closes that off. And then the shower tub area, we're going to turn into just a straight shower. So that'll be really nice. This is obviously all just currently plastic, so it'll all get cut out. We'll do a nice fiberglass pan and then tile walls, and it'll be a nice little design, you know, once we actually do that. So, but we've got a cool vanity that we're going to be putting in. The door for the linen area is actually going to match our vanity. We'll do the double vanity light, double mirrors, and all of that. So really excited about this one. And like I said, we'll do progress videos as we go, because, you know, this one's going to take us a little while from start to finish. There is a separate company that's going to come in and do flooring. So you'll see some new flooring in here as well. But yeah, this one is going to turn out really nice, and hope you guys like it, you know, as we go. So, all right, see y'all later.